Hare Krishna. So how are you everybody? Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Om Ajnanatimirandesya Gyananjana-Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manabhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamaham Dadanti Shabdantikam. हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिकांत राधाकांत नमस्ते तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विशुभानुसुदेवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये ओम वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधु वैवच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो सर्ववैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तबिंदु। जपो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So today very good day, I think, for everybody, right? Today everything is good, very good. So our Sri Krishna's blessing purpose, today we came again in front of our Krishna, because without Krishna's wish we cannot get Krishna's bliss. If we are thinking like we in this life we have to take Krishna's bliss, then immediately we have to start the devotional service of Lord Sri Krishna. Then we can get very faster blessing in our human life, because human life is only the perfect time to listen about Krishna, to knows about originally truth. Because in the whole world everything is like a wrong dream. You are lying on the bed, you are dreaming like a tiger is coming in front of you, and suddenly he trying to catch you and you are running in front of the tiger. But somebody is sleeping with you on the same place, but that tiger cannot cut to that person who is lying nearby you. So dream only one person watching, and that persons only can feel, other persons cannot feel about the dream. As the same thing, in the whole world everybody has a different responsibilities, has a different work. For this purpose he came on this earth, and this earth is look like a dream. But when a human is dying, after that he is thinking, oh my God, I was in a long and deep sleep, like that. A dead pupil is thinking on this way, oh my God, I am a long deep sleep. But inside, when he was a human being, lots of work he did, lots of things he did, but after death everything is finished. So this is originally Krishna. That's why I told this, whatever we are watching in front of us, everyday's routine, terms, condition, everything never would be exist after death. Nothing will go with us after death. Only one thing will go with us, that is how much round we are chanting Krishna's name, how much time we are spending for listening Krishna's informations. Only that particular things will go after death with us, or else everything would be stay on the earth. Krishna told this earth is a wife of Lord Sri Krishna, like a biggest devotee. So whoever is staying on the earth, he cannot take nothing. We are telling mine, but nothing is ours. Because when we will go from the earth till presented, that at present body which is we have at this moment, this body also would be stay on the earth. Only soul will go another planet. That's why every human being has to realize who they are. Like, who am I? where I am coming from, why I came here. That 3 questions is most important questions, and that questions answer, if a human is finding, then only that human's life is completed, or else again and again he has to born and he has to die. As like in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, one of the picture is there, as you can see this picture, you can see this picture. Actually that picture meaning, as you can see, this side one girls is there and lots of child is born from that girl, and this side one of the dangerous man is there and all people is going inside of that man. It means that woman is our mother, mummy, who is producing child, and that child is slowly born, growing, slowly growing. After that, that child is becoming like a young man, and that young man one day becoming like a old man, and one day dangerous man. This is the dangerous, it's called death. This death man one day he is killing to that old man. So this is the circle actually, how the human being one body to another body they are going. If a person is doing good job in human body, then he is not getting any animal body at all. But if a person is not doing Krishna's devotional service, not chanting Krishna's name, not listening Krishna's informations, then he is getting very lower class body, like animal body. Before few days ago I told that story, one of the story, like one day one of the biggest devotee is there, his name is Narada Muni. Narada Muni one day going on the field like a ground. So he saw a man is preparing vegetables on his own ground. So Narada Muni went there and told to that man, "Hey man, whole day you are doing lots of hard work. From morning to evening, whole day, whole night you are doing too much hard work. But you ever chant Krishna's name in your life?" But that man directly told, "I don't have time for chanting Krishna's name." So at that moment Narada Muni told to that man that when you will get the original time. So that man told, "I am now young age. When I would be like a old age, at that moment I will chant Krishna's name." But problem is that old age nobody cannot do any devotional service. Nobody cannot chant Krishna's name. Nobody cannot do parikrama. Parikrama means a holy places is there, it's called Vrindavan. You have to go there, you have to walk without shoes, without umbrella, on the sun you have to walk, a temple to another temple you have to go, you have to do darshan, you have to see Krishna's lotus feet too, Krishna's beautiful face. This is called darshan. Then a human life is going successful. But if a person is not doing, then his condition is coming like a very bad situation is coming in his life. So that farmer man, when he listened from Narada Muni, that man was get angry on Narada Muni. Actually, you know, Krishna's devotee is very kindness. He always try to give Krishna's name to others. For example, one of the devotee was there in India. He always chanting whole day Krishna's name, all the time chanting Krishna's name, and suddenly he was died, and he went to Golokadham. But when he went, he saw that Golokadham door is closed for him. Golokadham door is not opening. So he's thinking, oh my God, I am a big devotee of Krishna. I am always chanting Krishna's name all the time. But now I came in Golokadham, but Golokadham's door is closed. What happened? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, he was seated in front of the door, but door was closed. Suddenly, after few days, he saw a man looking like a driver, like a truck driver, bus driver looking like a. So a man came. When he came in front of the Golokadham door automatically was open. And he went inside the Golokadham. So suddenly the devotee is thinking, oh my God, whole day, whole life I chanted Krishna's name, but for my purpose, Golokadham door is closed. And when a bus driver, when he came, his purpose, automatically door is open. What types of good job he did? Suddenly he is started to shouting, anybody is there? Please you come in front of me, I have a questions. Suddenly a sound came from the inside. What happened? What is your questions? So the devotee is telling that whole life I chanted Krishna's name, but for my purpose that door is closed. But suddenly a man came, his purpose, the door was automatically open. Who was that man? So suddenly a sound came from the inside, like that man was a bus driver. Whole day he is driving the bus, and in his bus, when lots of passengers is coming, he is driving the bus very spiritly, high spirit, and doing like this. So suddenly every passenger who was there, that passengers was get too much fear. So fear purpose they are chanting Krishna's name, Radhe 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 Radhe, and automatically that bus is going another direction to another direction, with nothing happened to them. So for this purpose, that bus driver, whatever doing, but that driver purpose, everybody is chanting Krishna's name. That's why that driver is now dead, and he directly came to Golokadham. But hey devotee, you always chanted Krishna's name, but you never forced to others for chanting Krishna's name. That's why your purpose, Golokadham door is closed. So devotee is thinking, oh my God, what I have to do now? So another sound came, you go back to earth again. And again you give Harinam Mahamantra to others. You have to do that particular work, like everybody will chant your name, your purpose. Everybody will chant Krishna's name. Then only you can enter inside the Golokadham. So please you chant with me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So this is main secret. That's why whenever we will get the chance, immediately we will start to chant Harinam Mahamantra, Krishna's name, and we have to force to others for telling Harinam Mahamantra in different way. If anybody, by our purpose, if anybody is taking Krishna's name, it means we will go to Golokadham, it's 110% sure, but who is listening, he also will go to there. So everybody's life is successful. That's why we have to do that. And if we are doing Krishna's devotional service, then everything is happening good. That's why Narada Muni told, forcing to that man, like for telling Krishna's name, for giving some time for Krishna's devotional service. But that man directly told, I am very much busy. I don't have time to take Krishna's name. But when I will be older age, at that moment, I will chant Krishna's name. So Narada Muni told, very good, then carry on. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. See you again. After that, Narada Muni went from there. After 3 years, after Narada Muni again came back on that same place and searching that man again, who was the farmer, who worked in the ground. Narada Muni searching to that man. But at that moment, that man was not there. So Narada Muni asked to some neighbor, like, where is that man who was prepared vegetables in that ground? So another person told, that man who was prepared that ground for vegetable purpose, last year he was died. A biggest disease came to his life, he was died. So Narada Muni thinking, oh my God, last year, before 3 years ago, I meet with him, but he told, in old age, I will do Krishna's devotional service. But now he is dead. And now he is dead. So he cannot do Krishna's devotional service. Narada Muni was very powerful man. So he started to do meditation. And he saw originally that farmer is at this moment where he is. Suddenly Narada Muni saw that farmer man, now he got a dog body, dog. Actually, nearest one home was there. In that home, one dog was there, and that dog was that particular man, that human farmer. He got a dog body. So Narada Muni went there and told to that dog, hello dog, how are you? Dog told, who are you? Narada Muni told, I know you from your past life. You was a farmer and you meet with me. I told you for chanting Krishna's name, for doing Krishna's devotional service. But you told, after when I would be like a old age, at that moment I will chant Krishna's name. So last year you was died because a big disease came at your life. That's why you was died. So now you have time. You start to chant Krishna's name. So that dog is telling, no, please don't disturb me, because I have a good honor. Whole day, whole night, I am sitting here. I am giving security to my honor. And time to time, my honor is giving foods to me. Whatever giving I am eating, I am happy. I don't have time to chant Krishna's name. You please go back. When next time, when I will get old, at that moment I will chant Krishna's name, but please don't disturb me now, my fooding time came. Dog answering to Narada Muni. Narada Muni told, okay, thank you so much. Nice to see you again. And again Narada Muni went. After few years, again he came back. He asked him, where is that dog? But now today's dog owner is telling that dog is already dead. He died already. Last year a big problem came, and at that problem purpose he was died. Narada Muni thinking, oh my God, where is that dog at this moment? I have to see. Again he started the meditation. After that he saw that dog now got a little animal body, who is staying in the toilet. You saw in the toilet a white color animal is there, is walking like this way. So these types of animal body that dog now got. Now he went there, Narada Muni, nearby that animal, and told, hello Mr. Animal brother, how are you? Animal told, who are you? I think I saw you sometime, but who are you? I don't know you. Narada Muni told, I know you lives to life. Last 3 lives I am watching to you. I told you for chanting Krishna's name, but you don't have time. You told in old age you will do Krishna's bhajan, Krishna's devotional service, but you told after few days you was death. First you got human body, after that you got dog body, and now you got a little animal body. Now also you start to do Krishna's name, chanting, then now also you would be saved. That animal is telling, hey Mr. Narada Muni, what is your problem, man? I have my beautiful wife. That animal is telling, little animal, I have my beautiful wife. I have my lots of children. Look, they are also walking like this way. I am lots of food is there. The toilet is there. I am eating all day. Okay, I have a lovely family here. So who is the idiot person? That types of beautiful family, they will forget and they will chant Krishna's name. I am not that particular idiot. So please you go back, don't come back again. So that animal directly told to Narada Muni. Narada Muni thinking, oh my God. Pupil lives to life spending. Sometime getting animal body, sometime getting trees body, sometime getting different body. But they are not chanting Krishna's name. We also, lots of the times we got different body, after that we got the human body. So in that human body, if anybody chanting Krishna's name, then he will never get born death again, or else he will get a smaller to a smaller animal body. So for this purpose, you came here, you are listening Krishna's name, knowingly or unknowingly, Krishna is watching, you are a big devotee, you are doing devotional service. That's all. In this life would be your last life. You will never get any animal body, any bad body. You directly will get a spiritual body, which will be support you, which will take you to directly Krishna's place, Goloka Dham. Where you are going, then your all problem would be shot out. So I request you, in this life, as much you can, you just listen Krishna's name and chant Krishna's name. Then automatically you will get profit. And this is Krishna's gentleman promise. So say with me, Radhe, Radhe. Radha Kund in Vrindavan, if you are going, lots of the places there, every place is most important. But inside every place is one special place is there. It's called Radha Kund. Radha Kundo, Shama Kundo, Giri Govardhan, Madhur Madhur Bangshi baje, ei to Vrindavan. Means in Bengali, one of the all devotees are telling this sentence. Radha Kundo, Shama Kundo, Giri Govardhan. A beautiful flutes music is coming. This is called Vrindavan. Means inside Vrindavan what is there? Radha Kundo is there, Shama Kundo is there. Shama Kundo, Radha Kundo means the lake of the water. One of the special lake is there, its name Radha Kund. Another lake is there beside, it's called Shama Kund. And one more thing is there, it's called Vrindavan Govardhan Mount. Okay, is that mount, one day Krishna took that mount by his left finger. Yes. So that mount is there in Vrindavan, and if any person is going to the Vrindavan and chanting Krishna's name, and he is not attracting to any material things, he is just attracting on Krishna's lotus feet, then automatically he can listen a beautiful flute music. Okay, and this place name is Vrindavan. Okay, flute music, every pupil try to listen, but everybody cannot listen this. Why? Because everybody's devotional thought, imagination is not the same. Some pupil is thinking Krishna is my friend. So as a friendship, they are telling, hey Krishna, I have a wish. I came at your home. Vrindavan is the home of Radha Krishna's. So I came at your home. I have a wish. What wish? I need to listen your flute music. Oh, some devotee is telling. Suddenly, a beautiful flute music is coming on his ear. Like these types of music he never listened in his life. Like this, it's happening. Lot of the pupil is getting different signal from Krishna. Nobody is staying without eating, without food. Whoever going to Vrindavan, wherever he is living, that is doesn't matter, but food will go there. Prasadam will go there. One remembrance coming to my life. One day I was seated at Shamakund, where the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's meditation place was there. So I am thinking today I will see where is Krishna, because before I never saw to Krishna. So it was my dream. I wanted to see to Krishna. And before I am going to Vrindavan, lots of the story I listen about Vrindavan. Lot. How Krishna working there, how Krishna living, how Krishna giving kindness to others, how Krishna helping to the devotees, etc. etc. So somebody told in Vrindavan, everybody is getting food. Nobody will live a single night without food. Nobody. So I am thinking I have to test, I have to check it, if true or false. Okay? Because I was the science student. So science, as you know, science are always watching the proof. Okay? In our book there was written, whatever we are watching by our eyes, only that particular things we will believe, or else we will believe nothing. Okay? So I am thinking today I have to do little bit exams, like how Krishna, originally truth or false, Krishna giving food or not, I will see. So that was a Ekadashi day actually, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthday. So as you know, as a Vaishnavas, all devotees are fasting on that day, on the birthday, appearance day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So on that day I did not eat nothing. I did Ekadashi. So I am thinking today whole night I will not sleep. So what I did, I came nearby the Shamakund, and there one place is there, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu meditation place. So there one place is there, I was seated and I am chanting Krishna's name. And suddenly at that moment, a child came. At that time like 12 o'clock, more than like 2 o'clock something, 2:30. Midnight, like that. A child came, like this much height, a jeans pant was there, and a t-shirt was there, blue color t-shirt, and green color jeans, like that, and white color, like white color body, like very much, not black like me, but looking very beautiful. That child came and gave a biscuit packet to me. He just gave a biscuit packet and ran from there. Just gave a biscuit packet and ran from there. I am thinking, oh my God, who was that child? Suddenly I saw he ran. After few days, he was hid from there. I am watching him, but I cannot see him. He gone. But biscuit packet is there at that time, midnight. So my question is, who was that child? And how would he knows, like I did not eat nothing whole day. I was along that time. It is my own experience. So I told to my Guru Maharaj, my spiritual master, he told, actually Krishna came there. This is Krishna's kindness. Krishna is coming on this way. So Radha Kund is originally Radharani and Shama Kund is Krishna. Krishna's one of the name is Shama. So in front of Shama Kund I got the proof, yes, Krishna is there. He is watching us and he is controlling to everybody. That was my own proof in that human life. So these types of proof, if you are getting, of course you will believe Krishna is there. So Radha Kund, a big story, next time I will tell about Radha Kund, but I am telling some philosophy about Radha Kund. Radha Kund, the lake name, and in the lake a special water is there. And that water is not a normal water. That water is a magic water, it's called. Like whole types of galaxies inside, different ocean water, different river water, all water is there inside that Radha Kund. And if anybody taking shower at Radha Kund lake, then he is getting the original fruits result, like all types of shower, wherever holy river you are taking shower, all types of result will come if one place at Radha Kund if you are taking shower. Lots of profits, and that water is Radharani originally there. She is living there, and if anybody taking shower at Radha Kund, then his all wish is going fulfill, whatever his wish. Lots of stories there. Next time in Harikatha I will explain about that nicely. Okay? So Radhe Radhe, I wish you have a wonderful Krishna's devotional service life, and Krishna will do lots of bliss to you. You have all problem Krishna will take from you. You would be full free, and you would be free from the all diseased, and you will at your home lots of money will come. You would be more richest. End of the time you will get Krishna's lotus feet. This is my wish. Radhe Radhe. Om Vansa Kalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhubhyo Vacha Paitana Pavane Pasaro Vishnu Namo Namo. Jai Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaur Bhakta Bindu. Japo Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.